pretty sure at this stage you guys see me more in the night than you do in the day. We are doing more prep on the 32's engine bay. Currently stripped it all down. Everything's pulled out. We've got all the brake masters, clutch masters, lines, all the rubber trimmings, and then all the extra stuff that we pulled off last time. All just chilling here. And at the moment we are just welding up the holes in the bay. Got a lot of ass on this channel lately. We had Santa Tunnies not too long ago. Well, not officially, it was actually just his car, but it was funny. I thought it was funny. So yeah, what we're doing is going around cleaning all the holes. And Benjamin, you're MIGging all the holes, aren't you?
Tigging.
Tigging, sorry, tigging. I think Tucker Garage, Sam, was doing this the other day on an S15 and he was MIGging, which apparently is a lot harder. But again, I am not adept in welding. This is Benjamin's forte. So I've given him the reins. We degreased the bay earlier and the entirety of this turned into like a sludge river. It's pretty gross. Hey, I brought you chocolate. Look.
Thank you.
Chocolate. Little chocolates. Alright, so we did recently upgrade the cameras. At the moment though, I'm using the G7X Mark II as the kind of dirty camera. It's now called the dirty camera, Benjamin.
Dirty camera.
It's the dirty camera.
Dirty camera.
It's the one I'm using for all this kind of stuff. So it will be the camera I'll be using for probably the majority of getting the motor into this and getting this all sorted. That way if I drop it in a puddle or I drop it in the engine bay, I'm not going to cry about a $2,000 camera. It sucks.
Game over, man.
Game over, man. Game over. That's a, what is it, laser tag? Local laser tag.
What are you on about?
I'm talking, what? How do you not know what that's off?
I do know what that's off.
It's laser tag, isn't it?
Of Alien.
Is it off Alien?
Yeah.
You look like an alien. Yeah, these aren't very pretty bays. They are very ugly bays. There's a lot of crap in here that you can't really cut that out. Like, that's just welded in bracing, and then the battery tray's here, and then that's the old intercooler piping that people hacked out unceremoniously. So what we are gonna try and do is see if we can salvage these wheel tubs. If they still look mank after we're done, we may cut them out and replace them with something. Or we may not, we may just keep using them. But the whole bay's got to be painted and we've got to prep it up and see how it's going to look. So everything's out, start cleaning it up, maybe get in primer and go from there. Once we've bashed all these little dents and stuff out, and these guys, and these guys. I did run over a person with this car once. Did I ever film that?
I'm not sure if that went on your channel.
I don't know if I filmed that or not. If you want to try and hunt down when I hit somebody, I think it is somewhere. No, I think it is in there somewhere, maybe. I'm pretty sure it's in there. Check some of the earliest drift comps that I've ever entered on this channel, and you might find the video where I smashed into someone and accidentally broke his ankle and he done a backflip, and yeah, the story behind that. Anyway, back to car. The loom is now out the side here. What I'll probably do tomorrow once this puddle dries up and we're not out here at 10 o'clock at night is I'll pull this guard off, get the whole loom out of the car and get rid of that altogether because it doesn't need to be there anymore. This is all RB stuff.
Hey, buy some new TIG tips tomorrow and a new cup.
TIG tips and a cup tomorrow.
No excuses, canoftes.
What is a canofte?
The dessert.
So what, you lost your cup or you bent it or what?
We broke it. And because we live in the middle of nowhere, no shop out here has got another one, so we're gonna get one tomorrow.
You kind of look funny.
I look funny?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, he just aluminium foiled his welding tip. Seems to be working pretty good.
Ain't doing nothing too pretty yet.
There's cat food on my bonnet. Really? Dum dum dum. Oh, I am considering selling my 32 GDR seats that were clean until Benjamin put my headlights on them. They're still clean, but you don't put headlights on GDR seats, Benjamin. Bad Benjamin. But they're like...
Yeah, don't put the headlights down somewhere unsafe. Put them somewhere safe. Don't put them somewhere safe.
They're like $3,500 worth of like seats.
Where's the seat?
No. The headlights are like $1,200 minimum. The seats at the moment are like I think 2.5 or 3.5K in this kind of average condition. These need a good clean, but overall they're not too bad. That's the worst of it, just the lumbar support. That thing. There we go. if I give them a good clean, if anybody's on the channel that is in dire desperate need of a pair of GTR 32 seats, hit me up, we can discuss. I might just put some generic Recaros or something in, because they're nice, but I mean, it's a drift car. I don't need fancy GTR things. At least they can watch it without needing to wear goggles, I think. I take no responsibility for third party blindness from watching this video. Several hours later. Look how many holes are in this bay. Maybe the cameras won't do it justice here. There are so many holes in this bay. I think it takes the cake for the ugliest engine bay in any Japanese car I've ever seen. If you guys know an uglier one, please leave it in the comments so I can check it out. Because this is, yeah, pretty full on. Look at all the holes. There's like a lot of holes. Yeah, wait. 10 down, probably 200 to go.
How it'll look somewhat before
yes,
we
done
got
it.
towards the end. That was just a check.
We done a test. So say goodnight to the 32. That is it for tonight. The 350Z has made quite a bit of progress as well. So it's back together, it's running. Diagnosed a potential charging or alternator issue that's causing the car not to want to rev correctly. So that's good news for its owner. And hopefully he can get it back soon. And enjoy it before it spins a bearing, which is pretty much a ticking time bomb at this stage. Apparently he's already found, did you say he's already found a new motor, Benjamin?
Well, he was looking, but he's not going to get one yet.
Okay, well, it'll either be what you said he was going to do, a 2J or an LS2 if it blows after he puts in a replacement VQ just to get it by. We are going to wrap it up for the night. Thank you guys for watching the vid. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, don't bother, but thank you anyway. Why are you here? I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching.